It's warm, safe, and me and my children feel very happy here.
As an independent trader, Llandod Wellness is about having the time to talk to my customers.
I love this town. It's full of wide open spaces and plenty of room for my dogs to run around and play.
I love running around the lake. It's just a wonderful place.
I love it here. The people are warm, friendly. It's an ideal place to come and visit. You feel like home.
Llandod Wells is full of community spirit.
Llandod Wellness. Here we live well.